Look out. No. How far did your sneeze travel? Right, where can you find all the wee water droplets? Mm-hmm. And where were you standing?
Right here.
So did they travel far away? Well, yes. All right. Now, did you see how far it went?
Yeah.
So when you sneeze, is that how far your snot will travel?
That fast?
Even faster than that.
I let it go the whole blue.
Pardon me?
I let it go the whole blue.
You did, but that's still a good example. So what are you going to do the next time you sneeze? Yeah, and even if you have to, and even better is to what?
Blow up the shoe.
Excellent. Did you like that experiment?
This is so cool.
Yes. Did you like that experiment? Yeah. Would you like to do more?
Yes.